entitled Thangal Naga Cultivation Dance. Thangal Naga tribe, descendants of the legendary patriot, freedom fighter and martyr, General Thangal. Thangal Naga Cultivation Dance. In the olden days, jute cultivation was the primary source of agricultural sustenance for the Thangal people. The site of cultivation kept shifting from one place to another in search of fertile soil. This Thangal Naga Cultivation Dance depicts the various processes of jute cultivation of paddy in dance form.